คุมชิบันตาบันกันเตียวกับปุเลปุทีกี Higher Secondary School ฮปอกันจลากัดกุมกับจิงดอนกำกับจกเล็งบากีบอร์ดเทคโนโลยีหักอาร์พูอาร์ตเรกุกลาลังกัดอาร์จาร์พุสันกับตนาด Information and Technology กับสรการจลาหารังกัดกับจิงเตรลังกับออฟฟิศจงกับ Deputy Commissioner กับ East Khasi Hills District กับลับปุ่นลองกับจิงซาม Android Tablet ลันเอ M-Tab ยากีขัดสันงดกีขณะปุเลกับ Class 11 จงอุสนามอาร์จาอาร์พูไลอาร์จาร์พุสาวHakatek singi lai don lang dak Dr. Maisel Amprin Lingdo ka Menteri Kokot Kokia bot katanat Information and Public Relations kum ka kong san ka kong Rosetta Mary Kurba IAS Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District u Pravin Bakshi IAS Commissioner and Secretary katanat IT ki nohi kai ringkat ki khna school na lor ki we de Haba ajing kran ka Dr. Amprin kalaong baka jing sam yaki M-Tab ka day ban ajing yarap shakilong yeng ki baduna ka yo ka kot par haba ben rap yakani kalaong ru baka smart mobile kala ban wan ra ka jing pen ki win kumta ka kentu ban penan kam hok yaki M-Tab
Christian Higher Secondary School
So this Dad, I was asking sir, what is this M for? Tablet, I know, what is M? Then he said, mobile tablet. So I got to know that M-Tab means mobile tablet. And I know that the contents of this tablet are predominantly academic in nature. So this is where I come to my next messaging here this morning. Kids who have well-off parents probably will give this to a cousin or a maid or somebody in the house. I hope that doesn't happen. But what is going to please me tremendously today is that the digital divide, the divide of access to digital information, where the have-nots, the distant citizens of the state have absolutely no access to mobile technology. Please take this seriously. I know that some of you have iPads. Anybody with an iPad will say, boo, what is an M-Tab? My mom gives me an iPad. So this here is not for you to play in the true sense of the word. This will give kids whose parents cannot afford even a smart mobile. Post-pandemic, we are all familiar with digitalized learning. I sincerely hope that you will take these tablets, and I wish to know also whether you would always keep it properly and as close as you would keep your personal diaries, where you pen down your full life history. Take care of this M-Tab that our Honorable Chief Minister, through his generosity, has made available for you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Kan nutrition bakam bhag kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya